Hello and welcome to my class. Today's question is 37 cube plus 18 cube all over 37 cube plus 19 cube, and we have to solve this arithmetic expression. We have the options as given over here, which are the answers option. Now, as you can see, the question is written over here, and then let us proceed to answer this question. So we can write 37 is equal to 18 plus 19. 18 plus 19 whole cube plus 18 cube all over. Here we will write 19 plus 18 cube plus 19 cube all over, and then let us assume A is equal to 18, B is equal to 19. The given expression can be written as A plus B whole cube plus A cube all over B plus A whole cube plus B cube. And we know that now we can see as the expression is in the form of x cube plus y cube, which can be written in the form of x plus y times x squared plus y squared minus xy, where x is a plus b and y is a. Then we can rewrite it as x plus y, which is a plus b plus a, x plus y, and then x squared, that is a plus b whole square, plus y squared, that is a squared, minus xy. So x is a plus b and y is a. Similarly, we can write this as again x plus y, that is b plus a plus b, and this can be written as b plus a whole square, b plus a whole square plus b square minus xy, that is b plus a times b. Hope everything is clear so far. Rest of the steps I will do on the next page. So this was the expression that we got in the previous step, as you can see here. So I have written it on the next slide, and then on further simplification we can write it as 2a plus b, and a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab plus a square minus a square minus ab, a square minus ab. Similarly, all over we can write a plus 2b, and this will be b square plus a square plus 2ab minus b, 2ab plus b square minus b square minus ab. Now we can cancel out few of the terms like this and this. Similarly, we can cancel out this and this, and then we can further write them as 2a plus b and a square plus b square, and 2ab minus ab is ab. A square plus b square plus ab all over a plus 2b. Then we can write here again b square plus a square and 2ab minus ab is ab. So we can see these two terms can also be cancelled. So we are finally left with 2a plus b over a plus 2b, where if you remember a was 18 and b was 19, so we will plug in these values. 2 times 18 plus 19 and 2, and this is a, that is 18 plus 2 times 19, which finally gives us 36 plus 19 all over 18 plus 38, which is equal to, which finally gives us 55 by 56 when we add these. So this is our answer. Hope my explanation was. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Here is my email ID, which we can use to contact me for online classes. My email ID is onlineteacher7@gmail.com, and my website is maths.scitutors.in. You can contact on this also for online classes. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.